Hey everyone, it's Lynn with Eli's Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to maximize the value from a store-bought rotisserie chicken. We are going to make 3 meals with 6 servings. We're going to make a rotisserie chicken dinner and a chicken sandwich, and last but not least, a chicken noodle soup with fresh chicken broth made from the rotisserie chicken carcass. Let's get started. What I have here is a rotisserie chicken that I bought from the store. It is about 2 pounds. It is only flavored with salt, garlic, and pepper. We are going to use the chicken carcass to make a chicken broth, so I would recommend a very mild flavor rotisserie chicken. If you use something flavored with rosemary or lemon pepper, your chicken broth will taste just like that. We're going to start with cutting up the chicken, and right here, okay, and we're going to use the leg and the thigh from the chicken for our rotisserie chicken dinner. So I'm just going to break it off with my hand like that. Get the nice leg and thigh out. Okay, do the same with the other side. Okay. I'm going to snip off the tip of the wing. We're going to use that for the bone broth. And next, the chicken breast. Take a cut in the middle along the breastbone. And then get your hand in there and take the whole chicken breast out. Okay, and now the other chicken breast. Take the whole thing off like this, and then remove the skin. So we finished carving the chicken. We get 2 legs and thighs, 2 wings, and 2 pieces of chicken breast. We are going to use every single bit of this chicken. So this chicken carcass, this is good stuff. Don't throw this away. Put it in a medium saucepan, and the chicken wing tips and then the skin, I'm also going to throw those in and add about 1 quart of water, just enough to cover the carcass. And don't forget the juice from the container of the rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna pour those in. That's good flavor right there. And we're going to cover, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for 2 hours. We're going to get a fast, easy chicken broth. For meal number 1, we're going to make a rotisserie chicken dinner with a side of broccoli and rice and chicken dark meat. It's healthy and delicious and super fast. So what I have here is a side of rice on each plate, and then a side of broccoli stir fry. This is broccoli stir fry with garlic. If you're interested in learning how to make this delicious dish, I will post the link in the description below. And what we're going to do is to simply take our chicken dark meat, and on each plate, a wing. There you go, meal number 1 is done. Next, meal number 2, we're going to make an ABC chicken sandwich. ABC stands for avocado, bacon, and cheese. So first off, we're going to start with making crispy bacon. Here's a tip. I buy fully cooked bacon from Costco, and then it's already fully cooked, but not very crispy, right? And so what I need to do is to put this on paper towel, so 2 strips of bacon, and then I'm gonna put this in a microwave for 50 seconds, and I'll get perfectly crispy bacon. After removing the bacon from the microwave, take a paper towel and dab to absorb the fat on the bacon. I like my bacon extra crispy, so it's a little bit on the dark side, so definitely adjust the time in the microwave based on your preference of bacon crispiness. Next, meal number 3. We're going to make a chicken noodle soup with the bone broth that we made with the chicken carcass and the leftover chicken breast from the sandwich. The chicken broth that has been simmering for 2 hours, it's ready. So let's take it out. Taste the broth and make sure it is seasoned to your liking. For broth that needs to go in a noodle soup, you want to season it just a little bit saltier than drinking it straight up because the noodles needs to borrow the salt from the broth. So let's give this a taste. It's perfect. A little too salty for drinking, but perfect for the noodle soup. Next, I'm going to pour this into a fat strainer, also known as a fat separator, because I want to strain out all the fat on the top of the broth. I'm just going to pour the broth straight into the bowls. In the bowls, I have some rice noodles. You can use any kind of noodles you like, of course. Remember the chicken breast from the sandwich? We didn't finish using all of it. So let's, again, not let anything go to waste. Cut these into small strips. And then put the chicken breast into the soup. And then for garnish, of course, finish with a little bit of green onions. And if you prefer, if you like spicy, you can also add some chili slices. This is optional, of course. There you have it. 1 chicken, 3 meals, and 6 servings. We did not let anything go to waste with this chicken, and the $10 that you spent on your rotisserie chicken went a long way. I hope you like this video. Feel free to leave me comments. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more delicious food.